Hello there, I'm Dr. August Dunning, and I do these nifty little dry fasting videos. Today I'm going to talk about something that's kind of a phantom in the hedgerow, if you want to look at it that way. Gallbladder attacks. I recently had a person that was doing a dry fast that was getting a lot of what we call acid reflux, but no, it's because their gallbladder was plugged up. The bile couldn't leave properly. It gets into the stomach, causes gastric distress and so forth. So we did a gallbladder flush on her, and then everything proceeded just fine. And I want you to look at this chart. This is a chart not of the incidence of gallbladder visits, but the actual ones that have been taken out. And look at the ages. Women pretty much peak in their 40s, 50s. Men a little later. But if you look at the problem here, instead of getting rid of the gallstones, they just take the organ out, which then means it's real hard because you need to make bile and all these other things out of the liver and the gallbladder to digest your food properly. So it's like, no, consider a gallbladder flush. There are many of them on the internet. They say, oh, it's just saponated soap that you end up producing. No, because when you don't, let me put it this way, if you haven't done one yet and you do one, you'll get all these green stones out. But then if you do it again, same way, same stuff, no stones. And the gallbladder is not inflamed, and the liver decreases in size, and everything goes back to normal. So don't believe the detractors or the disinformationalists, believe what works, and it's just natural. You just do apple juice every hour, a glass every hour before you go to bed at night. Then you do a mix of olive oil and lemon juice, grapefruit juice, orange juice, whatever's pleasant to you. Then you get up and you get rid of the things. You just poop it out. Anyway, but the point is, if you haven't done one of these things, it's not that you're not accumulating gallstones, because before the gallstones start occurring, you get a lot of liver stones. So there's this whole thing going on with the filtration organ, what the Chinese call the most important organ in the body, right here, that is telling you some stuff. And it's either cholesterol gallstones or bilirubin gallstones. If you got to have bilirubin, I mean, there's so many ways to address this, but you have to do blood analysis to figure it out. But yeah, but the idea here is maybe an ounce of prevention is a pound of cure can be applied here, and you just do a gallbladder flush to see what comes out. And at the end of that, you're probably good for a long time again. Because if you're doing your 30s or 40s or 50s, you haven't done one of these ever in your life, and you're going to probably get a lot of stuff out. You got to change the filter on your car, you got to change the filter on yourself. Anyway, that's what dry fasting is. And you get the book, Dry Fasting for Rapid Healing and Radical Life Extension, and it'll show you how to do a dry fast. And it'll also identify if there's anything else going on during the dry fast that you might want to address. It's a great diagnostic tool. I mean, it's the first one I would ever use, because once I'm a Hippocratic doctor, it's all I can use. But the point is, it's free, it's quick, it usually fixes a problem all by itself, and I think that's why people do these things. I mean, I'm getting ready to do another one. I know people want to do it together and so forth, but my body's telling me, you might not want to wait, and maybe it's time. So what I'm going to probably do is, after Thanksgiving, do one, and record it, videotape it, all good stuff for you guys, because it's time. I mean, it's just, I can tell, and you will too if you do one of these. And you guys that have know exactly what I'm talking about. Anyway, I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. Hit the like button so this gets around to more people. And as you know, still commercial free. And I'm going to keep it that way. Anyway, I love you guys. Have a great day, and I will see you later.
Yes?
We have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.